guys, doing something completely different. I've just found this abandoned house. I don't know. Unfortunately, I won't give the I can't give the location due to like just privacy reasons. But yeah, I've been passing this house a few times, but yeah, it's completely abandoned, you guys. This is the backyard. There's so much junk here. I'm gonna try and see if I can get inside. Wow. Yeah. Lots of clothes and stuff. Yeah, I've been eyeing off this house for a decent amount of time now, guys, and I've done some research. It's even comes off market, like it's not for rent or anything, so I don't know who owns it. But I thought, well, I'd come here. I haven't done a YouTube for in a while, so I thought I'd come here and a bit of investigate. But yeah, wow, look at this junk. There's like computer chairs there, bike parts, old lawnmower. Look at this old lawnmower. I don't know what that is with the holes. Like an old stovetop. I could have brought some brighter lights, but wow. Even an old fan or a bird cage there. Anything salvable I can salvage. I don't think there's too much. Even an old like a fire extinguisher, computer chair. This is the backyard. I do have yeah, I do have brighter lights in the car, but I didn't want to make it too bright. Even gym equipment. Wow. I don't know if it's been boarded off or not. There's the main door. Oh wow. Someone has definitely lived here and trashed it. Quite freaky in here, guys. I just really have to watch where I walk here. Yeah, there's nothing really exciting in here. this is the main lounge room. The roof looks so dodgy. Wow. I don't know if I can make much of a vlog out of this one, guys. I mean, this house is just completely trashed. Barbecue, bike parts, frames, gym equipment, shopping trolleys, empty beer bottles, you name it. Clothes, heaps of clothes. Looks like this wasn't it? Someone's bedroom. Unreal. Yeah. Wow, I don't know if that wire is live. I don't want to touch it. There's an old shower. Oh. Crikey. Whoever's going to have to clean this up, they're going to definitely have fun. The stench, guys, it absolutely stinks. It really does stink. Oh, no wonder why. The toilet. This place has been absolutely ransacked. Yeah. Anything salvageable? I know. That's it. And obviously the grass. I mean, it's probably going to be snakes in it, right? I don't want to walk through there. Yeah. Yeah, so the story behind this one, guys, I've always passed this on the main road in the state I live in. But yeah, as you can see, like, the windows are all being barred up for some particular reason. There's even like an old gas heater. Damn mosquitoes. Wow. Somebody's even like just shredded up heaps of paper, like old letters or something. Yeah, so the story is I've always passed this house and I'm thinking, it does look abandoned because the front door is open. It actually is quite freaky, guys. The vibe, it actually feels like someone's watching you in this place. Okay, old CDs. I don't know what that is. Cold food, cold feet, maybe. Cold feet. Yeah, there's the front door. So yeah, there's the front entrance. So yeah, I don't know, guys. If you do, there's an old telephone thing. If you do know the story behind this house, if you know exactly where it is in South Australia, Adelaide, comment below. But yeah, even shopping trolleys, everything. Alright guys, might just end it there, because my phone is dying. That's the only source of light I do have. So I thought I'd just do a quick one, a quick house intrude. Yeah, it's quite freaky. Alright guys, till the next vlog, signing out. See you next time. Ciao for now.